Hello, and welcome back to our video series, Conscious Closet Cleaning. This series is a collaboration between the Office of Sustainability and the Women Wellness Club at SJSU. My name is Susie, and I am the Zero Waste Intern for the Office of Sustainability, and today we will be talking about how to sell your clothes. If you have clothes that are still in great condition that you don't need or wear anymore, selling your clothes is a great way to earn a bit of cash and guarantee your clothes a good home. 1.6 million tons of greenhouse gases are saved by online secondhand shopping. So by now I'm sure a lot of you have heard of apps and websites where you can resell your clothing like Poshmark and Depop. So if you have clothing that's still perfectly fine, you can sell it through these platforms instead of just throwing it out or donating it.
Hi everybody, my name is Guadalupe and I am president of the Women Wellness Club at SJSU. Poshmark and Depop are both apps where you can sell and buy used clothing. What's the difference? Typically, Poshmark is better for selling brand name and designer clothing, while Depop is better for selling streetwear and sportswear. Both apps also sell home and office decor, which is perfect to find great items for your room. You can download both apps and see which one you like better or is easier for you to use. For Depop, you first have to set up your own PayPal account. This is how you will receive your money from your sales into your bank account. Poshmark has its own direct deposit set up within the app. You then customize your profile with a profile picture and bio describing your style and the clothes you're selling. Get creative to highlight your item. You can use your wall, floor, bed, or even model it yourself. Just make sure it's a clear picture so that your buyer can see the condition of the item. If you decide to take a picture of yourself wearing the clothing item, be sure to crop out your face. You can also screenshot the item from its website. This can help your item sell better. Include a brief description of the item with keywords and its condition. Don't forget to include the brand name and size. For Depop, be sure to use hashtags. The more hashtags and keywords you use, the more likely your items will be able to sell. It is free to list on Poshmark and Depop, but they do take a service fee when your item sells. Keep that in mind when pricing your item. When pricing your item, think of what you would be willing to pay. Higher pricing will lessen your chance of selling your item. Don't forget you're selling secondhand. After some time, if your items haven't sold, you can always lower the price to attract buyers. On Poshmark, you can send private offers to likers.
There are different options for shipping once your item sells. In the app, you have the option to choose whether you pay for the shipping or the buyer. With Depop, there's a variety of shipping prices based on size, but with Poshmark, there's only one flat rate fee. So once your item sells, all you have to do is print the shipping label. To be zero waste, save packaging from previous purchases and repurpose those every time someone buys from you. If this isn't an option for you, you can either purchase sustainable shipping bags online or you can purchase supplies at the post office. One advantage to using Poshmark is that the label allows you to use priority post office supplies for free, whereas with Depop, you are responsible for buying all of your own shipping supplies. So when it's time to package up your item, all that you have to do is place the item in the shipping bag, tape the label on, and drop it off at your nearest post office. Now here are some tips for success. Follow other selling accounts, ones that you would buy from, and some that are similar to yours. Liking posts will help other people notice your page. You can also observe how other people post and how they price their items to help improve your chances of selling. For Depop, look at hashtags that other people use and try incorporating those into your posts to attract more buyers. For Poshmark, remember to actively share to followers and join virtual Posh parties that fit the category of the item.
Another way to find your clothes a good home is by hosting a clothing swap party. Since we're not allowed to gather at this time, you can have your friends look at your Depop and Poshmark account and let you know if there's anything they like.
There's a few shops that will buy your gently used clothes. For example, in San Jose, we have Black & Brown, Crossroads, and Plato's Closet. Make sure to check what their policies are right now, either on their websites or their social media accounts.
Thank you so much for watching and good luck with your selling. If you have any questions or tips, feel free to message us or leave a comment. Tag your friends if they would like to learn how to resell their clothing. Stay tuned for our next video where we will show you how you can DIY old clothes. Bye!